Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome back to AttractPassion. I'm sorry for that. As I promised yesterday that I will pronounce the winners today of the giveaway which I've made on 3rd September, and I've made it totally old school. You can see here I wrote your names into my blog for writing my ideas and stories and whatever I'm inspired about. And if you're asking how I choose the winners, before we say about winners, I want to say that I didn't know how many winners to choose, so I said okay, I was 26, so I will choose 26 winners, which is the biggest giveaway I've ever made. And it's kind of amazing because I never gave so many prints or so many things for free ever before, but because now for me it's possible, I can give it to you, which I feel really great about it. I'm grateful for this opportunity, and I'm even more grateful for your awesome support. Truly, when I went through all the 236, I think, comments and so many inspiring stories, it was truly hard to choose, 26 people out of 200 and more. So I said, okay, if I will feel a story, I will write it down. If I will feel a person, I will write it down. If I will randomly pick someone, I will write it down. Till I will fill all the spaces of 26 people. So it was kind of randomly, it was kind of intuitively. I would love to pick more of you, but for now it's 26. So I will go now through the names of you. I hope you are excited about it, right? And I will also write names here because maybe some names I would not be able to pronounce correctly, but we will see how close I will get. So I hope that all of you that you were writing comments on the video about my birthday are watching this video, because you might be one of the winners. So the first one is Prince Kumar. The second one, or I will just tell the names. The first one, Prince Kumar. Then Annie Maurice. Then Y Center. Oh, you are here since the beginning. I remember you since like when I started this channel with the logo of Yin Yang, the photo of your channel, Y Center, if that's the correct pronouncement. Thank you so much for being here since the beginning. I can't remember all of you, but I can definitely remember the ones who are constantly commenting, constantly supporting. You are truly amazing. Svetlana B. Maybe you're Slovenian. If yes, napiši nekaj po slovensko. That was a Slovenian language for write something in Slovenian. I'm not sure, but maybe. Jen Starner. James Banks. I love your story. Thank you so much for opening yourself. I truly felt it. It was so powerful. And I was touched, I got goosebumps, and I thought, videos can make so much for some people. I don't want to stop doing that. If what I'm doing, and if I can just share certain informations that can help some of you, I don't want to stop doing that. So it's truly amazing. The next one is Francine Dariva. If I said it correctly, Francine Dariva. The next one, Taya Starry. Another powerful story. Toya, or it is Toya. Toya Starry. Taya Story. I'm not sure about the right pronouncement, but I hope you get it. The next one, Hector Winklereed. Hector Winklereed, something like that. Congratulations. The next one is Paul Sanchez. The next one, Hector Phillips. Congratulations, Hector. I mean, congratulations to all of you, of course. The next one, Stephanie Romer. The next one, Emma Motor. I hope it's the right one. Congratulations. The next one is Tiana Mai. The next, Mallory Hope. Oh, I love your surname, Mallory Hope. The next one, Julia Siegel. I think that's the right one. The next one is Mileni Waldiria. I think Mileni Waldiria. I hope I said it right. The next one, Debbie Donwan. The next one is just the name, I think, Trawiler. The next one is Frederick Michaels, maybe. And the next one is Bliss Om. Oh, you are another one that I can remember that you are here since the beginning, and you are like commenting each video that I post. I'm posting videos every single day, and you are commenting like on all the videos and supporting my work, and I'm truly grateful to you. So thank you so much for being an amazing person, and I'm happy that I can give you that print. The next one is Claire Bear, and it rhymes. Claire Bear, I hope I said it right. Congratulations. The next one is Lyria Sylvester. The next one, Roxana Jones. Congratulations, Roxana. And the next one is the Helion Hero 22. The Helion Hero 22. Congratulations. And the last one, 26th, Christine Mendoza. Christine Mendoza. I hope I said it right. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you that I've mentioned right now. I'm truly happy that I can send you the prints. So now the next step that we can proceed that, I will reply to your comments on the video, and then you will need to contact me on my email. So you can send me your address where I can send you the print. So wait till the reply and then just send me an email and I will be able to send you the print. So thank you once again to all of you for your beautiful wishes. It truly means a lot, like, to see that kind of support. I'm doing this channel now for a little bit more than 1 year, and to see that kind of stories, like I said, and beautiful words, like this whole community is growing so amazing, and I never thought that it will turn this way, because if you remember at the beginning it started like, I started making videos, just my paintings with the speech of Dr. Joe Dispenza and Bruce Lipton, Greg Braden, and then I thought, well, I've learned so much from those great teachers, and I want to share some of also myself. I want to share. I feel that I need to share myself as well, because sometimes comments were repeating over and over again about certain things from the videos of Dr. Joe Dispenza. I saw many comments were repeating over and over again, and I thought, I've learned so much, I've experienced so much of those things, I know how to answer it, so I want to make videos to help you guys, or maybe just to connect you with the right information, or maybe to give you an idea which kind of book can help you to understand more about it, or just to provide you a video which can help you to understand more about what you need to learn if you want to overcome a certain challenge in your life. So that was my mission at that time, to put out also more about my personal growth, or the story, or the knowledge that I gained on my journey, and also to share a little bit about my art, what the paintings are all about. And it was just an idea after the channel started growing, and then I saw how many people can relate to a personal story, because it's not then just a story anymore, it's an opportunity. Each of us can find it as inspiration. If this guy can do it, then I can do it as well. And when I'm seeing now stories that people are writing, like, I overcome drug addiction, and when somebody else come to this guy and see, if this guy can do it, I can do it as well, I'm so inspired by that. And it's not just drug addiction, it's like people are healing cancer, people are overcoming different addictions and much more. And that's like, it's a motivation when I see that just one YouTube channel can bring so much positive energy to some people. And I don't want to stop doing that. I don't want to stop creating my art. I don't want to stop spreading the message, whatever kind of message it is. And also this YouTube channels helped me to dig deeper into myself and into my own ability of expression. Also, my English is not the best, and it helps me to learn to speak in English language. It's my second language. I'm from Slovenia. For those of you that don't know yet, I'm from Slovenia, so English is my second language, and I'm still learning. I have a lot to learn, but because I'm doing every single day videos like that, I'm learning. So if I can give you one advice right now to all of you that want to learn something, maybe it's painting, maybe it's manifestation, maybe it's, whatever it is, I can say to you that if you are consistent, if you are working on that every single day, or meditation, whatever it is, if you will be consistent, you will be progressing. And when we are progressing, we are learning so many things. And I love that process, because I've learned that if we are not growing, we are somehow we are falling down. Like, we can increase the knowledge, the awareness, the inspiration, or we can decrease the knowledge and awareness and inspiration. So it's up to us what we will choose, which way we will choose, but we can always choose. And that's the power of free will. We can choose. Maybe we can't change everything, but we can always choose the best possible opportunity. So I'm truly grateful to all of you, my friends. I'm grateful that you are here. I'm grateful that you are supporting this channel. With supporting this channel, I mean that you're commenting, you're pushing these like buttons, because as I've learned, it also helps somehow this YouTube algorithm, so more people can see videos. And it's amazing. It's amazing what kind of community is building here, and that you are communicating with each other. And Yes, like I said, I'm truly grateful for this moment and for all of you. So I will leave it here. Again, I will contact all of you, the winners of this giveaway. Thank you once again so much. I'm sending you all, like always, new blessings and lots of love. Let's feel this. Open your heart and breathe this moment. Breathe this good energy into your heart and just feel this love. I'm sending it to you. Feel this love within your heart. Thank you so much, my friends. AttractPassion family. This is it for today. See you next time, tomorrow, or whenever it will be. See you next time. Peace and love. Namaste.